Morning, students. Today we will discuss building services. First, we discuss what are the building services. Building services are the services by which we can live comfortably in a house. These services makes building come to life. Building services includes first one is the energy supply. It includes energy supply, maybe gas supply or electricity or renewable resources. Then second one is the heating and air conditioning. Heating and air conditioning means we have to require heating during cold and air conditioning during summer season. So both are the services which we require in different seasons. Then other one is the supply, drainage and plumbing. Water supply is the uh, service by which we get daily water. It may be from municipal corporation or maybe from the water tank which is situated in our colony. This water we can use for cooking, drinking, washing, bathing. Then drainage. Drainage service means the water, the waste, maybe in the form of sewage, maybe in the form of kitchen waste. These are the waste products which comes out from the house. All these come in the drainage. In the plumbing is the service we provide for the water supply internal to the building. Suppose we are having a water tank at the ground level, then we have to pump up the water above the roof, or we need water for drinking, bathing, cooking. So all these uh, for for all these requirements, plumbing is required. Then the next service is the lighting. Two types of lighting are there: natural and artificial lighting. Natural lighting we get from the sun. For that we provide windows, doors, or some other types of windows like skylight window and other things. And then artificial lighting. If natural lighting is not proper or natural lighting is less, then we need artificial lighting. In daytime also, in the night time, we need artificial lighting, but sometimes in the daytime also we need artificial lighting. Artificial lighting, for that we use LED bulbs, tube lights, LCD bulbs. So all these comes in the category of artificial lighting. Then next is the escalators and lifts. Escalators and lifts, these are the service is which we use for the vertical movement inside a building. Lifts are generally provided in the multi-story buildings which are having G+3 or more stories. Escalators are provided in public buildings or malls, or where more gathering is there. Then ventilation and refrigeration. For ventilation we provide ventilators, doors, windows. Doors and windows are provided in the opposite direction so that cross ventilation is possible. For ventilation, we also need sometimes exhaust fan, especially in the kitchen areas or in the rooms where windows are less, or and no cross ventilation is possible, then we use exhaust fan also. Then refrigeration for the preservation of food and fruits and vegetables, we need refrigeration. So refrigeration is also a type of services. Then communication services, it includes communication lines, telephone lines, IT networks, the the lines which comes in for internet or telephone, all these services comes in the communication services. Then security and alarm system. We need security system, alarm systems for the protection of our home. These services may be provided in the form of some mechanism or system or in the form of security guards and other things. Then the fire detection and protection. Fire detection and protection means some sensors are provided inside the home for detecting the fire. These sensors may be smoke sensors or heat sensors. Then fire extinguishers are also provided. Water water supply is also provided for the fire extinguishing. These building services are divided in two types of services: mechanical and electrical systems. Some services comes in the mechanical systems and some comes in the electrical systems. In the mechanical systems, the services which comes are suppose the services we use for heating, then for the air conditioning. These types of services come in the mechanical type. This is the uh, classification of any systems. Mechanical system, HVAC. HVAC means heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. And then ACMV, and air conditioning and mechanical ventilation. So in the mechanical systems, HVAC services comes, then site utilities, the services used for site utilities like water supply, drainage, sanitary, disposal, gas supply. These are these also come in the mechanical systems, and plumbing, fire protection, and some other special systems. In plumbing, water distribution, water treatment, sanitary facilities, all these comes in the mechanical systems. Then fire protection, water supply, sand pipes, fire and smoke detection, these comes in the mechanical systems. Then electrical systems. Electrical systems, in this system comes the electrical power, the normal electrical power, the standby and emergency power supply and distribution. Then lighting services also comes in the electrical system, interior lighting or exterior lighting, emergency lighting, all these comes in the electrical services. Or some auxiliary services like telephone, audio, video, sound, security systems. These are also common electrical systems. Some special systems are also provided. So all these comes in the electrical system. So basically our building services divided in two types of services: mechanical systems or electrical systems. So thank you, students. In next class we will discuss all these services in detail. Thank you.